How to fix the "your device isn't compatible with this version" error on Android. This tutorial shows you how to get past this error and install your app successfully. First, open your Android settings. Scroll down and tap on Apps. Search for Google Play Store and tap on it to open the app info page. At this point, tap on Force Stop. Tap Force Stop again to confirm. After that, tap on Storage. From there, tap on Clear Cache and then tap on Clear Data. Once done, go back and search for Google Play Services this time. Tap on Google Play Services to open it. At this stage, tap on Storage. From there, tap on Clear Cache and then Clear Data. Following this, press and hold the power button until the power menu appears and tap Restart. Once your device restarts, open the Play Store and try installing the app again. From here, if the error still appears, open the Play Store, tap on your profile picture, tap on Settings, tap on About, and then tap on Play Store version a few times to check for any available updates. Finally, if nothing works, the app may genuinely not support your Android version. In that case, you can try downloading an older version of the app through a trusted APK website. Just make sure to enable Install Unknown Apps from your settings before doing so. And that's it. If this guide helped you fix the compatibility error on your Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.